Hey guys, what's up? Bus Show here, and today we're going to be unboxing something to do with buses. So yeah, let's get into it. I think it's a model looking at the package. Could be wrong, who knows? Oh, here we go. Open up the bag. Throw that. I know what this one is. I bet you guys won't be able to guess what it is. Well, you'll be able to tell by the video title, but it's off the Royal Mail Post Bus from Postman, as you can see. Obviously, I don't watch the show. I just bought. Well, so I did watch the Post Bus one, obviously, the other day, and yeah, quite a little neat piece to the collection. And yeah, so here's the front, the side, the back, the other side, the roof, and the bottom. Obviously, I did used to watch it when I was little. Who made this? ERT, or whatever it is. ERTL, something. Pretty nice little bus. So yeah, let's get the thumbnail, guys. So thank you guys for watching, and peace out.